Hi, I'm Carley from Wellbeing Workshop. I specialise in helping people live longer, happier and healthier lives through managing stress and nurturing the body. I help people understand their own stress response and use effective strategies to calm your mind, your body and your emotions so that you can face challenges with confidence and intention. When we let stress and anxiety take over, we lose the ability to think and act in a clear and meaningful way. So we've partnered with the amazing team at Hackett to bring you this brand new, unique workshop. There are two parts to the workshop. In the first part, I'm going to be taking you and your team through a Stressless masterclass. This is where we're going to understand the impact that stress has on our mind, our body and our emotions. We learn how to manage our own stress response with effective science-based tools and techniques that help us stay calm so we can be better in control. In the second part of the workshop, you are going to get a chance to put these new tools into practice with the Auckland Sky Jump and the amazing team at Hackett.
I was actually a bit scared at some point, but no, it felt really good. The key takeaway for me, there's no magic solution. Paying attention, being more aware, or becoming more of a habit, I think that will help.
I guarantee once you've jumped off Auckland's highest tower, you are going to be ready to face any challenge.